Hello student, see the problem number 13. White light consists of wavelength from 400 nanometer to 700 nanometer. What will be the wavelength range seen when white light is passed through glass of refractive index 1.55? Now what is the given? Here the wavelength range is from 400 nanometer to 700 nanometer. Here we consider this is the smallest wavelength, which is denoted by suppose lambda s, and this is largest wavelength, which is denoted by lambda l. Right? Now the refractive index of this glass medium is 1.55. Now here we have to find out the wavelength range in a glass medium. Suppose here we consider wavelength in a glass medium for the smallest wavelength is suppose lambda g s, and for largest wavelength which is lambda g l for glass medium. Right? This is the given. Now we know that the relation in between the refractive index and wavelength, which is n is equal to lambda in suppose air or vacuum divided by lambda in medium. That means wavelength in a medium. Now here for the smallest wavelength we get n is equal to lambda s upon lambda g s. Right? So here lambda g s is equal to lambda s upon n. Right? So put the given values. Lambda s is nothing but the 400 nanometer divided by 1.55, which is the refractive index. Right? Now you can calculate this calculation by using logarithmic table. Here we get the reciprocal of 4 figure number table and grouping here 1.5 and 5. I think that reciprocal is, suppose here 400 is written as 4 into 10 raised to 2, and reciprocal of 1.55 is 0.0452. Right? Now here we multiply by 4, we get the answer is 2.5806 into 10 raised to 2 nanometer. Right? This is the first calculation. Now similarly for the largest wavelength we get, if n is equal to lambda l divided by wavelength lambda g l, therefore lambda g l is equal to lambda l divided by n, and similarly we get the similar calculation for this largest wavelength 700 divided by 1.55, and this calculation becomes, which is 4.5161 into 10 raised to 2 nanometer. Right? This is the wavelength range in a glass medium for the white light having the wavelength 400 nanometer to 700 nanometer. Now next problem is problem number 14. The optical path of ray of light of a given wavelength traveling a distance of 3 cm in a flint glass having refractive index 1.6 is same as that on traveling a distance x centimeter through a medium having refractive index 1.25. Determine the value of x. Now here the distance optical path in a flint glass and optical path in a medium is same. This is the condition for problem number 14. And the refractive index of the flint glass is 1.6. Right? Now the distance traveled by the ray in another medium, which is denoted by x, and the refractive index of another medium is 1.25. Now we know that the optical path is nothing but it is the corresponding path in a vacuum as the light travels in the same time as it takes in the given medium. Here the first medium is considered the flint glass and the another medium whose distance is suppose x. So the optical path is nothing but the refractive index in a medium into the distance travel in a medium, right? So for the first flint glass we consider, which is n1 d1, and in given problem the optical path in a flint glass which is equal to the optical path in a medium. So here we write n1 d1 is equal to n2 d2, right? So here we find the value of d2, that means x. So n1 is equal to 1.6 into d1 is equal to 3 centimeter is equal to 1.25 into d2 is nothing but the x. So therefore x is equal to 1.6 into 3 divided by 1.25, right? This is a very simple calculation, and answer becomes x is equal to 3.84 centimeter, right? Now this is the value of x, which is the distance traveled by the ray in a medium.